Are smoothie bowls really healthy? Smoothie bowls are everywhere: Instagram, cafes, and foodie blogs. Their vibrant colors and nutritious image make them a symbol of healthy eating. But are they as great for your body as they are for your feed? Let's dive in and uncover the truth behind the smoothie bowl craze. Smoothie bowls are often packed with great ingredients: fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and superfoods. These provide essential vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber that your body needs. When done right, they're a blend of nourishment and flavor that can fuel your workouts, improve digestion, and support overall health. However, the secret to a truly healthy smoothie bowl lies in balance. Portion sizes, nutrient diversity, and avoiding artificial additives are key. A bowl bursting with natural goodness can boost your energy without the sugar crashes. As visually appealing as they may be, smoothie bowls can sneak in some unhealthy surprises. Calorie-dense toppings like granola, coconut flakes, or nut butter, when added in excess, can turn your bowl into an unintentional calorie bomb. Fruit overload is another issue. While fruits are healthy, blending too much of them concentrates sugar and may spike your blood sugar levels. Watch out for store-bought ingredients or cafes that use sweetened yogurts and refined syrups. They quietly sabotage your health goals. The good news? You can craft a nutritious and guilt-free smoothie bowl at home with just a little know-how. Always start with a nutrient-packed base. Think spinach, kale, or unsweetened almond milk. Add fiber and protein sources like chia seeds or Greek yogurt to keep you full longer. When it comes to toppings, think moderation. Opt for fresh fruit slices, a sprinkle of nuts, or seeds for crunch. Keep sweeteners natural and sparing. A drizzle of honey or maple syrup is more than enough. The key is creating a balanced, satisfying bowl without overloading it. Should smoothie bowls be a daily indulgence or an occasional treat? While they can be a healthy choice, turning them into an everyday meal depends on your portion control and topping choices. For those with weight loss or blood sugar concerns, moderation and adjustments are non-negotiable. Remember, no single food can do it all. Smoothie bowls are best paired with a variety of other whole, unprocessed foods throughout your day. That way, they enhance your health without becoming a nutritional trap. Now that you know the secrets behind a truly healthy smoothie bowl, it's time to whip up your own. Experiment with wholesome ingredients, craft balanced portions, and skip the calorie-heavy toppings. Your health goals are within reach, one smarter choice at a time. Hit the like button if you found these tips helpful, and share this video with friends who love smoothie bowls. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest, fact-filled health content. Let's make healthy living simpler